Hi you guys, what's good? Welcome back to the motherfreaking channel. So in this video, I have a product review for you guys, a new product from BTARTBOX. These are their XCOATTIPS. This is a nail system and this is the look that I did. I'll show you guys how I achieved this using their new product in this video. So if you like nail reviews, beauty tutorials, go ahead and subscribe. So I'm gonna go ahead and first unbox their package that they sent me. This is the XCOATTIPS system. They sent me some ombre nails to show you guys and to use, and some gels that accompany it, and a little lamp. So I'm just gonna kind of carefully unbox everything, show you what everything looks like, what everything comes with. So that is the little mini lamp package. This is the tutorial, but you guys don't need the tutorial. You have me to show you how to use it, but yeah. I think the packaging was very elegant and simple and just pretty. I like the little see-through and the hollow thing in the back. So these are the ombre almond tips. There's 5 rows of nails that come in this. I'm gonna start reading some talking points that BTARTBOX sent over about this new product. So these are salon technical built-in tips. Our handcrafted ombre effect provides a natural looking finish that can be easily replicated at home with no prior skill required. Proprietary BTMMA material mixed in with soft gel offers exceptional strength and rigidity, allowing for the creation of a more three-dimensional nail shape. Enhanced permeability. BTMMA technology enables strong permeability, enabling UV rays to penetrate the nail tips even after complex designs such as French gradient or cat eye techniques have been applied. High degree simulation. The combination of BTMMA and XCOAT processing techniques mimics the appearance of handmade acrylic nails, resulting in a salon quality finish that is indistinguishable from professionally applied acrylics. So here's my take on it. I don't quite understand exactly what the XCOAT and BTMMA means, but I will say that they are very strong. Like, the nails are very hard, so you're definitely getting strength with these, and I want to applaud them for this beautiful square shape. The square on these is stunning. A lot of brands don't understand square nails. Like, they don't get it. These are square. Like, square means square. The ombre is beautiful. The fact that these are a handmade ombre is amazing. I will say that the ombre effect is only on the top layer though, so you do have to be careful when filing so that you don't scratch the top layer and accidentally damage the ombre or whatever. But okay, so let's go through these gels. These are the gels that I got that accompany this set. So there is a glue gel, a base coat, and a top coat. I think that they were very generous with the amount of gel that comes in these huge bottles. I like the square shape. I like the purple and black combo. I think this is cute, and everything worked flawlessly together. So now I'm going to show you the lamp. My only thing with this lamp, well, there were 2 things. These small finger lamps are very hard for me to personally use. I'm sure there's ways to work with it. You can prop it up on a bunch of books or something so it can be sat up higher. But when it's sat on the desk, it's kind of difficult for me personally to reach in. And also it was missing a little foot at the bottom, so it was wobbly. Obviously that's just my personal experience. I'm not saying every lamp is going to come that way. I just wanted to show you guys for transparency. So this also comes with a 100-180 grit file, and I use this to prep my nails. So if you don't know how to use an e-file, you don't have an e-file, you're a beginner, that's fine. I'm going to show you exactly how you can do your set as a beginner with no prior experience, how you can have a beautiful full set from home. So you want to start etching around your cuticle and focus on removing all the overgrown skin off of your nail plate so that your nails can last 2+ weeks. My nails are already pretty rough. I pulled off my last set, which I should not have done, but I did. So my nails were already rough, but the new growth was definitely new growthing, so I needed to take that off. So I'm going a little harder around my cuticle area, and I'm leaving the rest of my nail alone because it was literally sore. But yeah, this was a great file. It worked really well. The only step that I did after this that I didn't show on screen, I applied a primer. So I do recommend using a primer. Some people get away without using primers though, so it's personal preference if you want to do it with a primer without. But yeah, take off the dust. You can cleanse your nails at this point with some alcohol and then put on your primer. So here I am, ready to go, prepped and primed. I'm gonna start sizing my nails. You wanna size your nails from sidewall to sidewall. The only other drawback I noticed with this product is there's not like many sizes of like one size or whatever. So like if your index and ring finger are both size 5, you're gonna run through size 5 pretty quickly. You know what I'm saying? And then you'll have a bunch of extra sizes that you don't need left over. That's the only thing, I guess, but for some people that's gonna be a drawback, for some it's not. I just wanted to mention that. So I'm applying the glue gel, and this is the gel that we're gonna use as basically a glue, as it's appropriately named. You wanna apply a normal amount, not too much, not too little. If you apply too much, it will squeeze out of the sides. If you apply too little, you'll have air bubbles under the nail. And it's really important not to have air bubbles because it will show through and it will just look unsightly. The best way I found to apply this is to start angling the nail down at the back end of the nail where the cuticle is, and then slowly lower the whole nail down. That seems to reduce the risk of spilling. So I'm gonna use my typical usual desk lamp. This lamp is just a lot easier for me personally, so I'm just gonna use this one because since I'm doing a tutorial, I don't wanna risk carrying my nails on crooked. That would be really bad. And I can't really waste much time, so I wasn't willing to risk it with the small lamp. So that's basically how you do it. I hope that it's kind of clear how I'm angling the nail down slowly. Every other way I was doing it, I was getting like leakage, but when you apply it carefully from the back first, it works out. So yeah, you just size out, apply a moderate amount of gel, not too much, not too little, apply the nail, move over to a desk lamp and cure it. And this was done super fast. Like I created this set so fast, which is amazing because right now I'm in my lazy era. I don't want to spend a lot of time on my nails, and I'm so pleased with the outcome. I'm getting compliments all the time on my nails. Everyone loves my nails. I love the shape of them. It's such a beautiful length. I really applaud them for the length and the shape and the ombre. Like they did that. They really did. And I'm actually so impressed by how the pink is such a flattering type of pink. It's not too saturated. It's not too neutral. It's like something that would look good on everyone, I think. So the only thing that could have made this better is if the ombre went through all the way to the bottom of the nail and it wasn't just like an overspray. So I'm sorry guys, there's tons of traffic outside and I can't record this again. So if you hear honking, I live in the city and I don't know. Yeah, it is what it is, right? So we're going to file off that little manufacturing bump using the hand file. This was super easy to do. You just want to be careful that you don't make your nails crooked. So just carefully file a little bit at a time and then check. Okay, so my nails are ready to go. I'm gonna use the base coat to apply some charms. Obviously at this step, if you want to paint on top of the nails, you can totally do that. If you want to design, put stickers, you can put all types of stuff on top. At this point, you can treat it like an acrylic set. The nails do feel strong, but in their instructions, they recommend that you go on top with a base coat gel layer to add more strength, which we will do after the charms. And I found doing this made my charms even stronger. Okay, so at this point, my nails are decorated to my satisfaction. I'm gonna go around everything with a layer of base coat gel. They stressed in the instructions to make sure you seal the edges of your nails, like the free edge. Wherever you filed, try to seal it very well with top coat gel, base coat gel, and top coat gel. And I did a full wash day, washed my hair and everything, and all my charms are still on. My nails are still super adhered down. So yeah, they were definitely not lying. So I'm gonna cure that for 60 seconds in the lamp, and then we'll come back with a top coat. So I do feel like the texture or the viscosity of all the gels was really high quality, really nice. It was a slight bit viscous, like the base coat gel, or no, the glue gel was a little bit viscous for me, just in terms of like challenge to cure the actual nails on themselves. Oh, and one more thing that I really liked about all the gels, there was no yellowing. And that can happen sometimes with base coat gels and top coat gels. They can yellow, which would ruin the whole design, especially because these are pink and white, but these did not yellow. They stayed perfectly clear. They gave me that beautiful juicy top coat effect. So I absolutely loved this product. I highly recommend that you guys check this out. The links will be down below. Thank you so much for watching the video. The rest of this is just a bunch of me posing my nails till the end. If you enjoyed, give it a thumbs up, leave me a comment, let me know what you guys think of this new product. Are you gonna try this out? What do you think about it? Oh my god, I just love the square. The square is so freaking pretty. They did that. They did that. Love you guys. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.